आ गया।
Professional in the field of supply chain industry and has been a key element in the promotion and the development of supply chain. His core is responsible quality management. He is a trained quality auditor. He has audited and guided other countries as well. Just in a few words about the Supply Chain Association of Pakistan, it is an association that has been formed by industry professionals associated with the various supply chain functional areas such as logistics, distribution, procurement, planning. It is a non-profit organization run by industry professionals elected by the member, and its key objectives are to create and maintain a body of supply chain professionals to get supply chain management recognized as a separate and a specialized field of management. The vision of this Supply Chain Association of Pakistan is to be globally recognized as a supply chain body of Pakistan that promotes the value and profession of supply chain management through education, certification, developing and implementing world-class standards of supply chain management. Mr. Kesaram, I would like to invite you to give your insights on the field of supply chain. So, hand it over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kesaram Sir, for coming to the conference, and we are glad to have you here. Mr. Kaisar Alam Sheikh is Director ISCAR Pakistan. He is member Pakistan Advisory Board ISECA. He is on the board of directors GS1 and ZIL. He is also on the board of directors and chairman audit committee Al Shahid Group. He worked for 29 years at Unilever Pakistan, where for the last 8 years he served as a vice president responsible for supply chain strategies and operations. His specialties include supply chain management design, strategies and training, manufacturing excellence, organization, restructuring and outsourcing, people management, monitoring, coaching and team development. At the moment he is working as President Supply Chain Association of Pakistan. Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum ji. And just let me know if I'm
Sir, you are audible.
audible. The no issue.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. First of all, thank you for inviting me in such a conference. I think this is the need of the time. I think it's a good initiative from the Sikra University, and it should continue, what I believe. And looking at your theme, I have chosen a very relevant subject, and given the name to that is gearing up for uncertainty. Because you know the future is uncertain, and we will talk about the diving deep in the uncertain future, and as supply chain leaders in fashion, preparing ourselves to face the new challenges in waiting. So, how future is unfolding? And we all know future is uncertain always. Whatever you do the research, do anything, you cannot know your future 100%. This will be an estimate. It can be best estimate based on the current knowledge and experience, whatever you have. So let's understand better and be ready to on the driving seat. Because if you plan, then you will be on the driving seat. Otherwise, always there will be surprises. So we are living in a very interconnected world. We just can't say we are doing something here and nobody is affected. No, we all are affected by each other, and COVID is the real example, right? Complexity, what the volatility, uncertainty, which we call now VUCA world. This is VUCA world now. However, demand and speed and for quality and cost is from the consumer is always there. It's increasing. They want at a high speed, best quality, but at a low cost, and that's the challenge. Some hard facts. Let me give you some hard facts, because when we move forward, we should know what are the obstacles as well. Around 800 million workers may lose their job to robots automation by 2030. This is an estimate. It's around 20% of today's workforce. Around 375 million workers need to change their professions. And a good example is Germany. Germany, you know, in the Europe, they are the best performer if you compare with other countries. What is the reason? They have prepared their workforce with multitasking and multi-skills, I believe. So if some job is not there, some pressure on that, they switch easily, and that they have achieved. So we all have to change and learn how to do new things over time. and prepare ourselves for the new challenges in waiting. Technology-driven world is filled with promises, but also with challenges, and the latest is COVID-19. Something about our supply chain leadership. A recent survey has revealed organization can produce only 67% of the leaders. So rest you have to find out and train whatever it may be. So, and the shortages are generally in the top and middle level, middle management. And the third thing is the challenging economic realities. We all know, and I think COVID has further it towards the more challenges. And flattening organization, that's the reality. When I was Unilever, I was tasked with the job, I think 2008, 2004. And we have to chop down the organization. I was responsible for that. And one third of our organization was chopped. Why? Because if you don't do these things when there is a need, so you lose the organization. So to make it survive and make it working, you have to make this adjustment. And this is coming more and more now. And new skill need, because you can't just sit on your knowledge, what you have learned 5 years back or 2 years back, continuously updating yourself. So what are the key challenges to supply chain leadership? Specifically, I'm coming to now supply chain. Demanding consumers. It was there, but it's coming more and more. Why, I will explain you later. Increasing customer demand. You know, consumer is the end product user. Customer are the in between, like distributors, like your wholesalers. They are all our customers. From where you take your product, and consumer picks up the product from there to use. And growing complexity of supply chain, as I said earlier, is increasing because of the way we are doing the business. A rising cost of supply chain management. When you add complexity, cost will go up, and the challenge will come how to bring it down. A raw material prices volatility. You have seen in COVID, this is too much. The price swings. How the business is going to manage the cost? The pressure comes to supply chain. Bring down the material cost, bring down your production cost, bring down your logistic cost. All comes to you because it comprises around 50 to 70% of the product. What you are selling in the market. If you are selling something for 100 rupees, sometime it up to 70 rupees in supply chain. So you are responsible for bringing it down. And the raw material price volatility, and very important thing is the supplier and 3PL insufficient capacities, and which has now very, very pronounced after this COVID. If in states, a lot of pressure on the port because goods can't move, and the logistic cost has double and triple. These are all coming up to supply chain to manage the end product cost, because business demands from you this. So resulting area of key focus for supply chain leadership. With all these challenges, what are our area to be focused? Supply chain visibility. Where, one, what, when. Like I give you example, I'm on the board of GS1. GS1 is a barcode. So they are actually supporting the business by letting you know where the product is, where the ship is, where the pallet is, and where the product on the retail side. And then comes the inventory management. Why? What is the supply chain job? Moving inventory, the product with efficiency, like with speed and less cost, and with right quality. What we do, from supplier we bring all the materials, convert into the product, move it to the shop, and the consumer adds, so buy it. So this is the job of inventory, and who does that? Supply chain. So this is coming more on the focus, and supply chain collaboration. I will talk about that a bit more detail. Skill development, as I said earlier, multi-skills, and with the time how you push yourself, and future leadership development. That we'll talk again why we have a different way of training them, and long-term supply chain strategy versus short-term, because generally we go for short-term strategies which doesn't work for long, the way you have seen. So I will pick up 4 supply chain enablers for the future. So those 4 I have selected: changing fulfillment process, Second is productivity improvement. Third is collaboration. As I said, I will speak on that. And creativity and innovation. Let's touch one by one. What is this changing fulfillment process? Is the retail business is slowing down and online business is thriving and double-digit
हेडफोन नहीं लाया ना
is
लाइब्रेरी में
happening. Now even the Walmart have
है
started their online business and trying to compete with Amazon, but it's too late. And this will
10
increase,
मिनट हो
what
गए
will happen? This will increase consumer demand, asking for speed and flexibility. Online business, the problem started, consumer has become more demanding because they know you can deliver it on that day at this time and they demand to you. And then what happened, this middle class growth around the world has put again pressure on this online business. So this is forcing us to be more competitive. It is good for the business because you're getting more demand, more consumer, but who is being faced with the challenges, supply chain professionals, because you have to increase the speed and flexibility everywhere. Like manufacturing guys, they have a tendency to produce long shifts, longer run. But consumer wants today this, tomorrow that, tomorrow that. So your planner will always asking you to change switch. So how you can be flexible? That's a challenge. And this increasing consumer demand has volatility and good for the business, but good, as I said, the supply chain professional are under a lot of pressure. This will demand much more from all of us. It will be a bit uncertain world, as I said earlier. So, second one is productivity improvement. And this is key success factor.
बस ये आखिरी होना चाहिए अगर ये
Online business is
इसके बाद कोई और हुआ ना तो
relatively
यहाँ हो जाएगा आवाज़ तो नहीं जा रही ना
compared to retail business. Because
यार
retail
शफीक
business
भाई
is
मत कर
closed in,
मत कर
but they're working on that.
अच्छा, ये
All are
प्रेशर आना
working around the world how to make it more profitable. Because right now it is the time.
अरे रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है
That's
उस्ताद
why improvement is one of the key factors for this.
नहीं इसका हो रहा है ना खाली क्लास तो लेना है ना
कल वाली नहीं करी लेकिन ये आइडिया मोबाइल के अंदर से आ गया ऊपर
One thing in common.
अबे ये बैठे हैं इधर
अच्छा ये बोल रहे हैं ऊपर मेरे ख्याल से लाइब्रेरी की बात है
Speed, capacity, flexibility, quality, everything. Digitization of process, reliability, and that will be one of the key needs in this area.
नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ
Not take
कल
device
वाली
time. Just imagine
बन गई
a slide. I can show you a slide. There is a slide here.
स्टार्टिंग में कोई नहीं बता दिया
Add.
समराइज कर रहा था
कल वाला
मैं स्टार्टिंग में इसने बोला वो पॉइंट्स मैं फॉलो करता हूँ रिवाइज
हाँ हाँ जब स्टार्ट हुई अभी तो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा था
Today, it's not very much than that, but it just takes 3 hours. So
केसर
cost,
आलम
what you have saved, cost of time. Because
केसर
6
आलम
hours, you can't travel to England now. You travel in 3 days. And then I was just looking at an ad. Thinking ad for 80s for $6,000, 10 megabyte computers. 10 megabyte computer for $6,000. Making Pakistani rupees, 7, 8, 9 lakh rupees. Now what's that? You talk in megabytes, you talk in terabytes. So this is the journey we are going through and just continuing. And productivity journey is 2 types. One is the straight line with time, rate of change happens with time, and there will be disruptive change. I give an example. When the touch phone and mobile phone came, it was a disruptive change. Suddenly it improved the productivity of the whole world. Because now, initially, I remember the days when I have to write a letter to one of my factory in another city. First I will draft the letter, then I will give it to my secretary. Then the secretary will make correction, put carbon paper inside that, then it will come to the whole day will pass on that. Then I will put in a shutting, it will be posted with our own system. It will reach there second day. Same process will be repeated there and third day I will get a reply. So this is the time. Now you sit on email, right at 12 p.m. At 1 p.m. you get a response because the guy is
सर वाली एग्जांपल की बात करिए
auto correction. He gets it. We have
टाइम टाइम किस
we
तरह
are the
बचाते
same.
हैं
We haven't changed. Our brain is but the process, this productivity change, suddenly with this email, it was a disruptive change. The mobile phone, it was a disruptive change. And this is continuously happening. I just give you some basic tools which I thought for productivity improvement, what people should do. Designing the right KPI is the first thing.
ओए
When
मुजम्मिल
you will do the business,
मुजम्मिल मतीन ने
do the
अपनी फाइल
things,
भेजी
but
थी
then
तेरे
you
को?
will design the KPI. Because
अबे उसने
KPI
बहुत चीज़ें
is
गलत
will
करी
tell
है
you
यार,
where you
लेकिन वो
stand
सबमिट
today
कर देगा वही
and how can you improve,
खबर नहीं है
where
उसको.
you will be tomorrow, because then you design a KPI for today or tomorrow. And
मेन
then
पॉइंट के
you
अंदर
make
उसकी
your
स्पेलिंग
goals
मिस्टेक्स इतनी है, वो मानेगा ही नहीं.
know the leading and lagging indicators. Very, very important for your work. Do you know the lagging indicators where you compare? Leading indicator where you do the things to achieve something. Like you say zero accident is the leading indicator. What you will do to achieve that zero indicator is the leading indicator. So benchmarking and
भाई इसके
concept.
15 मिनट हो गए, ये जा क्यों नहीं रहा?
Benchmark yourself with others in your competition. So you keep improving yourself and cost saving, continuous cost saving.
अभी इसको 15 मिनट हो गए, 15 मिनट का था एक का सेशन.
Company we used to have a cost saving and I used to chair. And every year we put target to all everybody how much you will save. And every year we were saving. And I remember when I left in 2012, 1 year saving was 1.5 billion rupees, which is equivalent to some companies 2 billion. So if you start saving it, always you will get some some waste out. Then I'm with good with time or how many minutes left? Hello.
Yes, sir, you can continue. You have time, sir.
An appropriate resource and organization. Sometimes we lack in that the right resource at the right place and the right organization. And training and development is a continuous process, like this seminar, this workshop, this is a continuous process, this always should happen. And excellence in all area of supply chain. You can't just work one area very good another because that will become your weak link. If your logistics
यहीं तो आ रहे
is
हैं
weak, your manufacturing is
भाई,
world
यहीं आ रहे
class,
हैं.
your quality is world class, your planning is world class,
हाँ.
you cannot be world class because your logistics will pull you down. And in the same productivity it comes in industrial form. This is fourth major upheaval in modern manufacturing, following the first in 1970 lean manufacturing, the lean revolution, which came in 1970. Then came outsourcing phenomena in 1990, and in 2000 automation took off, and now this is industry 4. And what and how this next
सब
phase,
एक ही चीज़ सुन रहे हैं,
the
जैसे सब हो गया
exponential
आवाज़.
rise in data volume, computational power, and connectivity, especially
भाई 22-24 मिनट हो गए, 15
low-power
मिनट
wide
खाते
area
रहो.
networks. These are four things I'm explaining here. The
10
emergence
से
of
10 20 था
analytic
ना.
and business intelligence capability, new form of
तुम्हारा नेट कौन सा चल रहा
human-machine
है? यहाँ पे
interaction such as
लगाया
touch interface. You see this all automatic machines. Now machine has been maintained by other countries. If a machine in Rahim Yar Khan, somebody is sitting in Sweden, they are fixing the issues there online. This is the time. We are into this time. An improvement in transferring digital instruction to the physical world, such as advanced robotics and 3D printing. You know
पासवर्ड भी लगाओ
what is
अपना
3D printing?
ILMS वाला जो लैपटॉप में पासवर्ड खोल दो.
It is not a recent one. I think 14 years back, I was visiting Brazil factory. So I went from Pakistan, where on a normal manufacturing line you find 10, 15 people. There was a line, I saw two guys, and they were not touching the machine. They were just looking around. It's automatic ordering. The kind of productivity they had on the machine, you can say mean time between the failure was so low. And I went to their
अबे ये होगा क्यों नहीं
the
होगा?
transportation and distribution hall. Nobody was there. And there were two robots and on the machine line, the intelligent report. They were just putting
पासवर्ड
the
सही है ये.
cases
हाँ.
in the pallets and recognizing the product. Accordingly, they are putting the respective pallets and in the same there's been designed. And the pallets were rolled in that distribution hall, and truck was standing there. It was automatically with the robots going inside the trucks. I said, how things are moving. Once
ये जो आ
this
रहा है ये
all
कनेक्ट हुआ है,
full,
कनेक्ट कर एक मिनट देख.
then a driver came in, took the truck. There's the kind of simplicity and automation they had. It is, I'm talking 15 years back.
वही वाला इसी तरह कनेक्ट होगा नंदन करके ना.
And my mindset here in Pakistan is this.
हाँ.
When I talk to the union,
अबे मैं लाइब्रेरी जाना पड़ेगा.
you are
हाँ
running
तो तू
this
चले
scheme
जाना
line
लाइब्रेरी,
with
अल्लाह के
15
बंदे टाइम
people,
जाया कर रहा है.
and The same like we run 5 people in Brazil, and the machine hasn't
हम
been
क्या यहाँ पे
designed
खेल
for
रहे
you.
हैं, हम
It's
तो
designed
रिकॉर्डिंग
for
कर
the
रहे
Volvo.
हैं.
The same machine being
हाँ
used.
हाँ ईमेल के जरिए भेज
You know
दिए.
what answer they gave me? You're hiding the
हाँ
people
वो तो
there.
पता है.
This was simple because the mindset. But it took us many years to fix it. Changing the mind.
इसका नेट यहाँ नहीं दे रहा.
Okay, and what the way forward? What organization should do for this industry 4? Companies can gather more information and make better use of it. First thing they should do it. They should understand what it is. Strategy should also be take
अबे तू
industry
अपना
4
पासवर्ड
into
डाल के
account
दिए.
as
अबे तेरा वाला नहीं, तेरा वाला चल रहा है ना, इसमें से
company's
उस पे नहीं
future
चल रहा
direction.
गधेड़े. ओपन तो हो
Prepare
जाएगा,
for
चलेगा.
a digital
भाई तुझे अपना
transformation.
पासवर्ड डालना पड़ेगा तो चलेगा.
Manufacturers should begin today
एक
to
एक से
join
नहीं
the
चलता है,
hunt
लेकिन
for the
तुमने मेरे
best
लैपटॉप
digital
में नहीं कनेक्ट
talents
होता, मेरे को
available.
पीछे.
You have to bring them in.
अबे नहीं चलेगा.
Think about how to
अबे अपने डालना पड़ेगा.
structure their digital organization.
नहीं चलेगा.
And then collaboration, which I said at that time, is a third important requirement for supply chain leaders. This is also one of the key building blocks for productivity. You see, when I was in the company, I used to tell my logistic providers, because always they were different people, I need my product from the production floor up to the retail. You're responsible. This is the collaboration. This is your KPI. You will be charged, you will be accountable for that. We are not expert in that. You are expert on this. So let's join hands. You put your efficiency because you're master of that. We put our efficiency. At the end, we both are benefited. This is also important. You should reward them accordingly. Don't get all the benefits yourself. Collaboration doesn't mean you are the beneficiary, another guy is just loser. No. One example I give you. we were um, we were bringing ice cream from Lahore to Karachi. And Dairy Milk were selling
ये हमें खिला रहा है.
So we were two logistic companies doing same. I mean,
बोल बस कर दे यार, क्लास भी है 11:45.
same thing happening.
कब तक खत्म हो
Joint
जाएगा?
hand. But the problem was logistic providers. They
28
were not
मिनट ले लिए
happy
इसने तो.
because they were losing money. Then we sat with them, negotiated with them. Fine. One day it is going to happen. Let's do it in a better way. We will do it. You will benefit and we'll share with you. What you get from only ice cream, you get more than that. We started that. Ice cream came in and the factory will direct chocolate start going to Lahore. That's collaboration. Now competitors are collaborating because the challenge is coming. Remember, no one is ready to pay for your inefficiency. Competition is there in the entire chain, and they all are looking around. The last thing is creativity and innovation, and this is very, very important because you deal with the students also, and always I tell them, don't just rely on the knowledge you have. Have knowledge and ideas wherever they are available. Knowledge को आप जहाँ से चाहते हैं input करना है. Discover the problem. Don't wait. A problem is going to come to you. Try to find a problem. Problem is always there. You can always improve efficiency. This is the part of creativity. Don't just extrapolate knowledge and skill. Generally, what we do, we extrapolate. Try to learn new skills. Like this conference, this seminar, always we find something.
ओमिक्रॉन आ गया है
Yesterday,
इनको.
I was looking at you, and one guy was presenting 1PL, 4PL, 6PL concept. It was very interesting for me. I was
1
going
feel, 2
through
feel,
that.
6 feel
Gentleman
होगा
from
कल वाला.
Dubai, I think, was presenting that. So that was something I learned. Always you learn. Whatever knowledge you have, you will always learn from such conferences. And be ready to do things differently and be flexible to accept change. This is very important, and especially for our leaders here in Pakistan, especially in the private sectors. I call them safe or the multinational. There's some resistance because they were doing something for years. They're growing for the years. They think this can continue like this for years. No. Right now I'm doing consultancy for one of the organization. I will not name them because some of the secrecy. They called me to help them in the business. They didn't know what to do. Then they say, okay, help us with SNOP first. I sat down in the meeting. I said, let me see what you are doing. When the meeting, after 1 hour, I said, this meeting is to me is a reactive meeting. It's not a planning meeting. You are reacting on the issues. which you should have. First thing, because why they're doing it? Because they're doing it since first generation, the second generation picked up because that business came to them just better. The first generation actually had hard work to build up that business. Second generation that didn't. They got the business. And they think this running the business is very easy. Not. And these modern days are going to push them to these things. If they don't learn, the thing will happen the way it happened. You remember video cassettes?
हाँ पता है
I don't
चलो
know, you are all young here. In my school days, cassettes were there and we used to watch film on that. What
What was
happened?
the VCR? Just that we used to use VCR then.
Yeah, VCR. But what happened to those industries? If somebody was sitting, my father has given me this factory, this business, I'm running it. What happened? Replaced by CDs. If somebody then realized what is coming in, gone out of the business. And after that, USB, and after that, Netflix. Things are now moving very fast. So, from there, I just recap the revolution, which takes 100 years difference. It's very interesting. Mechanical and steam power, 1784. Then mass scale production, electric power, 1870, 100.
किससे
Then
बंदा आया
internet,
था वो देखता
1969. Now AI and big data, current and future, and the speed is marvelous. Today, what is happening, tomorrow is obsolete. Some new thing is coming. Look at the phone, the way it happens. So, I will conclude here saying that supply chain is entering into very challenging time, which is a bit uncertain. In some cases, things are not very clear, and we get surprises. And supply chain leadership is now experiencing the toughest time all over the world. It's, so it's Pakistan also. What we need, this will require
We need
discipline,
absent.
more focus, open mind,
we need you to go
urge to learn, and right
we need you
leadership
to go
qualities to manage. This
We need
leadership,
paper
we can
online.
talk on that very long hours, but
We need
here is not the
Omicron.
time. A very different team in a fast evolving future with shorter product life cycle. Product
we
life
need
cycle
your
is not
code
there. It comes and goes.
We need Bunny
Look
Banai
at the
report.
phone, laptop, everything. This laptop I'm using right now is Mac, but it's obsolete now because they have come with M1 and everything has changed. And now next year they will come with M2. I don't know.
आधा घंटा ले
So
लिया
this is all from my side.
इसने।
And if you have anything more to it, we can add and answer.
पता नहीं
I
कौन
have a
मैसेज कर
question,
रहा है
sir, from you.
हाँ तेरे पास बहुत क्वेश्चन
So
है।
you rightly said that changing fulfillment process,
ये कल भी बहुत पूछ रहा था
productivity, collaboration,
पकड़
and
के मारो उसको एक और
बताया
creativity are really
ये
important in
चीज को
today's
बुक वाइज
environment.
के
So
अंदर
how,
ये
what
सवाल है अपने पास
recommendations do you give to
इसको बिठाया
non-online
इसलिए
businesses for better fulfillment process? Because as you said that online channels are better in terms of fulfillment process.
No, online business is the future. Everybody is moving towards that. Say, I don't know, 10 years down the
ऑनलाइन
road,
ही
20
फैला
years
रहे हो
down the road, 90% business will be online. But right now in Pakistan, 90% business is not online. They are all retailers. For them, the first slide I think I said,
ट्रांसपोर्ट भी ऑनलाइन कर
know
लो
your
तुम
product. Knowing where what available is the most important thing. Generally, they don't know.
फ्यूचर में
You
ना
push
खत्म
the
होने वाली
product is the
ट्रांसपोर्ट ही
market with the distributor. You don't know what is the slow moving, what is the fast moving, how much quantity it is, and if
डोरेमोन
you
का गेट
don't
अगर ले आए
know
तो
your consumer, like demand planning, I say,
हाँ
you
जादू
cannot
चल रहा है यहाँ पे
meet the market demand. This is
इधर
happening
इधर
with many
पाकिस्तान उधर
companies.
लंदन
Demand
वाह
planning is not
फिर भी उसके लिए
the
ट्रांसपोर्ट
company
चाहिए
I'm saying.
भाई गेट खुलता है
Ayaz,
उस
who is
तरफ
the demand
लंदन होता
planner?
है
Nobody is
हाँ तो
demand
सामान
planner.
तो उसके
Everybody
गेट
is
पे
a
लाना
demand
होगा ना
planner. Sales guys are
उस
demand
गेट
planners.
से
It's
उधर पे
not.
लाना जाना होगा
There must be a challenge
अब क्या
process.
घर
When
को
I
भी गेट पे ले
when I was
आओगे
asked to implement supply chain, I didn't know anything about supply chain at that time. Then I started studying, and there was nobody to tell me. There was no degree for that. Only Oliver White books, all this thing, internet, here,
डिग्री नहीं है
here.
तेरे पास
Nobody in the universe telling us anything. We 4 5 guys started working on that. Then demand planning was the thing we first picked up. If you don't know your market
भाई
demand,
चले
you
जा
cannot
अल्लाह का
make your
वास्ता है
things
तेरे को बस
according to
कर
the
दे
need,
बस
and
तेरा
then
टाइम
you
खत्म
will
हो
have a
गया है
higher inventory
अपनी जगह
and
कहाँ
the
से
wrong product at the wrong time.
गई
Thank you
हाँ
for the
कद्दू नहीं
traditional
जाने
retail
वाली
business,
हाँ
also on the online business.
ये ओहो छक्का
Thank you,
चाहिए
sir. Thank you for your kind insights
या फिर
about
इसका
this
चेंज
supply
करो
chain. And right now, sir, as you talked about uncertainty, VUCA world that we are living in this world where price is uncertain and there's so much complexity, shorter product life cycle. So it's a very challenging task for every the persons who are working in the
बस
supply
बस
chain.
बस
And
रिकॉर्डिंग में आ रहा है, तू ही
like
पहले
example you
हमारा
give
टाइम
about
वेस्ट
this
मत कर।
cassette players and many companies like Nokia,
हेलो हेलो 1 2
Kodak,
3 बाय बाय
they
टेक केयर
are
अल्लाह
found
हाफिज
because they haven't changed.
हेलो
So the
माइक
only
चेक,
constant in
माइक
the world
चेक,
is change. And
3 2 1 1 2
I
3।
would like to thank you for your insights, and you have mentioned many good points. So, sir, one of my question is that how you can design about the right KPIs?
Yes,
For the
right
because there are
KPIs.
so many. Yes.
I had my KPIs um, 15 years back,
देखो थैंक
one
यू सर।
pager,
Okay.
and that was my control chart. And
Okay.
on that, I used to put 2 years history, current year,
Okay. Okay.
and the future, and the three colors: green, yellow, red.
Okay.
Again, green, I have no issue. When it comes to
Okay.
yellow, I will pick up the phone.
Okay.
What and all area, manufacturing, planning, procurement, logistics, all. I
Oh.
designed the KPIs myself, and that was, you can say, my fingers were on the nerves.
क्या
Otherwise,
थैंक्स फॉर
you will
शेयरिंग
not know.
इन्फॉर्मेशन सर।
Whole Pakistan, there are so many factories, so many warehouses.
मालूम
Procurement.
शुदा
At
इंफॉर्मेशन
that
देने
time, I
के
had
लिए।
30 million procurement. How can you manage if you don't have KPI? KPI is the only thing which give you feeling that you are in control. Otherwise, you will be confused man.
Please.
The first thing to design, because every company has its own KPIs. They should need to design. They understand. Everybody understands. It's easy. You can reach 20-80% exactly, and then take help from somebody who knows to make it 100%. And it keeps on changing as well. KPI target will be changing.
Changing. Yes, exactly.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. This was it was an amazing session, and thus we talked about in a panorama. You talked about lot of things. You talked about Kuka and Tona. You talked about demand uncertainties. You talked about technologies.
वजन
You
होने
talked about
चाहिए।
supply chain. So I couldn't ask many questions because of short of time. But my one question, the last question is that when you talk about the technology innovation in the particular industry, especially in supply chain, how do you see the balance between the labor and technology? If you're talking about the job loss in future, what is the balance, sir? Not for Pakistan, but for a developed country as well.
For Pakistan, I can give you a very clear answer because I was the champion of automation. But this fact is always in my heart. What you just said, workforce job in Pakistan. You see, in Pakistan, the advantage was as compared to developed world, the cost of labor was low,
Yes.
and automation always asks for cost initially. In for developed world like in America and in Europe, cost is very high, and the rules and regulation because you have many fold is higher than Pakistan. So here you keep a balance between automation and the labor cost because you just can't go on manual and you just can't go on automation unnecessary. Like
सर ईमेल आ रही है
you are
पेज
within a
रियल
soap
व्हीकल
making
सेलर
line,
प्लीज
there is
शेयर
a soap
विद
making plant where you make soap and then all
ये
the
नहीं
line
गिरेगा।
where you convert into soap. Those
इरादे
lines
ठीक नहीं
at the
लग रहा
top where you make the big mats. If you leave it like that manually,
सर मैं कहते हैं हाउ टू क्रिएट
so
इनोवेटिव
in the
सप्लाई
covered
चेन
area,
मैनेजर।
and if you have a football area,
हाँ हाँ
football
तुझे सब
ground,
समझा।
so there you need automation, must be there. Even if you go down in the packing area, you can have a case maker where you will save manpower. But if you can avoid that, so this is a balance of automation and the manual, specifically like Pakistan. And then cost will not be that much effective. And as it affects, you will move on. Any of the company will never work like a charity organization. This is fact. That what will happen to the workforce. Automation will come by force. If you avoid it, so you should prepare for that. Because other areas are there where you can put your workforce. When automation comes, you need people for automation as well, for maintenance, for keeping it running 100%. You like I will give the example of Germany. Skill development. Pakistan is weak in that area. We are not working on skill development, not the blue collar people. And the companies multinational they do it, and that affect your quality. The quality of the product won't export. And if you don't have the right quality guy with you, because quality is not controlled by the country manager. and controlled by the operator who is making it. You're seeing each box being prepared, and in a minute, 100 boxes being prepared. That guy is responsible, and we think we are responsible. No, this is he's so that's the balance of automation. It will go on like this, but eventually it will go to full automation. You can't stop. Natural journey.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the valuable insights, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kaisa Alam Saab, keeping the fact in mind that you had busy schedule and you have been planned as well.
बस हमने लिफ्ट कर दिया
Always available. Thank you.
बस ना कर दे कब से बुला रहा है 40 मिनट हो गए इसकी
20 minute बता so now as Dr. Kesser Alam has given a brief insight about this disruptive supply chain industry and the current issues about the supply chain. So now I would like to invite Dr. Shamsuddin Ahmad Khan. He has done a specialization in industrial engineering, PhD from industrial engineering from University of Quebec, EDS, Montreal, Canada. And his research interests are supply chain management, multi-layered thinking, performance simulation, and control. So I would like to invite Dr. Ahmad to shed light on the topic of supply chain and disruptions that we are facing in this global market.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to thank Pura University and
शरफ
for
अली
inviting
उर्दू
me
बोल ले
to
उर्दू बोल ले
very amazing and impressive conference. And
बोलेगा
to
बोलेगा
be
उर्दू
honest, I really
पाकिस्तानी है
enjoyed the
नहीं
talk of Mr. Faisal Alam, and
पाकिस्तानी है
luckily my talk is also related or somehow the extension of what he talked about the technology
देख के पागा
innovation in the supply chain management. So my talk is all about is the digitalization and supply chain management. That how digitalization or the Internet of Things or the advancement of the technology will help in improving overall supply chain performance or some key things such as visibility,
रहने दे
supply chain as Mr. Kessler touched upon it,
रहने दे
and how to develop a flexible supply chain, build a resilient in the supply chain. So I will just discuss something related to the digitalization and supply chain and what are the benefits and challenges and what are the future opportunities that the advancement of the digitalization that the companies and the decision makers can utilize about. And at the end of my talk, I will just discuss everyone knows about Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0, but nowadays there is a concept which is called Supply Chain 5.0, Supply Chain 4.0. So I will just touch upon this concept as well. So now, just to start, everyone talks about the digitalization, technology, and we have to see why digitalization is important, specifically in the context of supply chain management and the functions of supply chain management, which is defined by the supply chain concept of MRO, the plan, source, make, and deliver. Or you can say that the supplier, manufacturing, warehousing, and logistics. So, and then I will just touch upon the basic concept of the digitalization. So, just to begin, what is digitalization? We know that the adoption of new technologies such as artificial intelligence or big data analytics or augmented reality, machine learning, cyber physical systems, and cloud computing, all these technologies are available. Many organizations are using, for example, I'm sure that organizations are using cloud computing for their data storage. Many companies are using artificial intelligence, robotics are there, and automated machines are there, CAD cams are there. But digitalization is in the supply chain specifically is to adopt the technology in each and every function of supply chain from the demand planning or the order processing supplier till the order or the product is delivered to the customer. This is the basic key fundamental or the key concept of digitalization and adopting and educate technology. For example, cloud computing for database management, for example, or
artificial intelligence for manufacturing or big data analytics for decision making, because nowadays the decision making is shifting from decision maker to the based on the data, based on the history, as Mr. Kaisar mentioned that we should have the historical data and then analyze it, and then they will predict the future. And this is very important in supply chain, because the supply chain foundation is the demand planning. If your demand is wrong, whatever you did after that or whatever you are doing after that is making no sense. Either you will be stopped, your company will product will be stopped out, or your company product will be overstocked. That's why you can see that. And another important thing of the digitalization is that nowadays more than 90% internet users are already there in around the world. So now if I will order or I will dispatch something from DHL, for example, I track each and every step on my palm, on the smartphone. Again, the technology. So order visibility is enhanced for the customer. And I can sit anywhere and I can order any product from anywhere in the world. And I can track each and every step. So you can see that how powerful the customers are, and if the organization will not adopt these technologies in their performing business, in their doing the business, so they will not compete the world. This is the most important thing. And in as per the data in 2020, around 26 billion things enabled with the Internet of Things. These are the facts, and the technology make the customer more knowledgeable than ever. How? For example, if I want to buy any product, I will just go where? Google, search, review, and I can find hundreds of tens of fifteens of options. And then I can decide. Previously, it was not there. Previously, we were relying totally on the customer service representative or relying on the, you can say that the recommendation and all. But now everything is like an open book. This is good and bad in the same time. Bad in a way that if the companies will not adopt the technology, and the best example is that you can, in the history, and it is a very big, very informative supply chain case study, Nokia and Motorola. Nokia and Motorola were the best in the world, like nowadays iPhone or Apple and Samsung. But where they are now? No one is there. Why? Because they did not deliver what customer wants. They did not adopt the technology at the right time, and they lost. Motorola was the first one who developed the slide phone. Nokia was the first one who incorporated a camera in the mobile, 6610 or 6610. I can, and the whole got gone crazy. But what happened? They did not catch up with the advancement in the technology. They did not go for the smartphone concept. Yeah, Nokia 6500. So you can see that how the big companies felt when they did not adopt digitalization. And digitalization, as Mr. Kessler mentioned, that is moving like a boom. Today, whatever we are using today, after few months, few days, few weeks, it will be obsolete. And the best example is the smartphones. Every now and then, you will find new model, new things, touch screen and all these things. So this is basically the important. Now, what these are all the good things for organization. But what are the drivers for the benefits for an organization to transform this digital transformation? What are the drivers? First of all, this will provide the organization or motivation to reduce costs. How? As Mr. Kessler mentioned, the example of the Brazilian company, it was spot on. Like they have only 2 people working, and in Pakistan or in any other underdeveloped country, I would say, or the emerging market, I would say, that they have a lot of people and they are working.
पहले रिकॉर्डर का एक
Efficiency
बनाएगा,
is
दूसरे का
less.
दूसरा बनाएगा, तीसरा का तीसरा, चौथे का
And
चौथा,
demand
सब
variation,
मिक्सअप
if demand
करेंगे।
goes up or down,
हाँ, तो
this
तीन
is
में
very
तीन
difficult
बंदे,
for them to get. And
पहला का
once
फैजान
adopt
बनाएगा।
the digitalization and
जिसके पास टाइम नहीं है उसके पास आधे घंटे वाला।
दूसरा वाला
your business
देखते हैं अगर
supply
कम हुआ
chain
तो मेरा
functions digitally. Obviously, the cost reduce, so there are inverse
अच्छा हुआ
relations.
रिकॉर्डिंग कर
Your
लिया
revenue will increase, your
क्या
productivity will increase,
है ना
and your quality
मैंने
will
स्लाइड भी नहीं किया
increase. And this will also give you some business agility as
अरे
well.
वैसे टाइम पे
That will
कोडिंग
give
आती
you also some resilience in your supply chain. Adoption of digitalization in supply chain will allow you to go for real-time
नींद आ
decision
रही है
making. Nowadays, it's a real-time decision. Your delivery guy will call you that your product is on the way.
3.4 GB
When to deliver? You can say no, I'm not at home.
3.4
Deliver
GB
at that time.
डायरेक्ट
This is called real-time decision making. Rather than the product will be on your doorstep and the customer is not there, they have to return it.
बेटा
This is
5.56
the
हो गई।
beauty of digitalization in
अंडे
logistics,
आंखें खोल मुनक्के बट रहे
in
हैं।
क्या हो
overall
गया
supply chain as well. And the impact of digitalization basically will enhance the internal efficiency. Will also
3.67 है क्या हो
provide you
गया
at the same time to
लाने
grab some or look at some external opportunities as well. Like, okay, what are the
कल
external
तक पहुंच जाएगा
opportunities
टेंशन
that
नहीं
I can adopt? How
6
can I
7 हुआ है ना
enhance my
बस
business? How can
33
I
ईयर है
enter in
4
new markets? Because of
4 पे 4
digitalization, it
लगा
is
लो
very
बस
easy.
हो जाएगा
I give you an example. In Dubai, I am in UAE. UAE is doing UAE is just
तो अब जो फाइल मांगे ना उसकी
collecting the
रिकॉर्डिंग सेंड
product
कर दी
from
मेल के थ्रू।
someone,
ये ले भाई ये ले
putting it here,
पढ़ के अब लिखता रहे
pack
सुन
it,
के
and
लिखता
then
रहे।
send it somewhere else.
ओए
Trading.
ये रिकॉर्डिंग मुझे भेज देना
Nothing else. Trading. All the
उसको
products
भेजूंगा
from
उसको
anywhere in the world comes to Dubai, and then it will go everywhere in the world. Because of digitalization.
जो आज
Because
आने वाली
of
थी नहीं आई
digital transformation
पहले
of
अपने उसके
business
साथ बैठा
nature.
होता
So this is the most important thing. Now,
अच्छा हुआ
the
नहीं आई
question
तो अकेला रह
arises
जाता
why we should
अच्छा हुआ
हाँ
digitalize
मेरे
the
पास और भी
supply
बहुत
chain.
सारे लोग हैं यूनिवर्सिटी
The
में।
main reason
हैं
I always
हैं
give is that
कौन अभी बता
digitalization is
कौन
globally
जमीन का
effective
साथ देते हैं
और भी लोग हैं।
और कौन है बताना
and create
डालीराज अभी आया हुआ है
sustainable
हाँ
value.
क्लास ले रहा है वो आ जाएगा मेरा अभी मैसेज करने में आ जाएगा।
अरे
You know
मैं भी आ
that the
जाएगा अगर उसको
sustainable
बोला तो।
supply chain,
घंटा नहीं
everyone is talking
है
घंटा आ
about
कौन
जाएगा।
मैसेज पे
sustainable supply
मैसेज
chain
कर
and
रहा
daily
है
they talk about the
1 मिनट पे
environmental
डिलीट कर
aspect.
रहा हूँ
But they forget about the other two aspects of sustainability, which is the
नहीं इसलिए नहीं है मुझे
social
घर
aspect
जाना
and
था
economic. Social aspect is
रुक
very
जाना
important, and I can give you a few examples. Zara is one of the best brands in the world, and they were accused few years ago for the child labor, and they lost billions of dollar market, millions of dollar market share. Why?
हॉस्पिटल
Because
का
they were not aware that their supplier is what is not. Because now the supply chain is a multi-tier. Suppliers are multi-tier.
वीडियो
First tier
भेजो
supplier, second tier supplier, third tier supplier. And if you will
पाकिस्तान में
not
होम कॉलेज
adopt the
स्टूडेंट का पहला केस
or
हुआ
अच्छा
याद दिलाने
adopt the digitalization in your
ये झूठ
supply
बोलते
chain, you will not be able to know what your suppliers are doing.
हैं इधर देख
What are
इधर
the social
इधर
impact
देख
of
इधर
that one?
डेल्टा
So
कोड इंजेक्शन है
transparency not
यार
only
इधर देख
for the with the customer or within the function of the supply chain,
12 को
but
आपको
beyond the supply chain,
लादे
basically
लाने तो
supplier, first tier supplier, second tier supplier.
मैं
The
इस पे
second
दूंगा लाने
aspect
मैं
of
दूंगा
the
इनको
second
मेरी
important
लाने
thing of the
दूंगा
digital supply chain is that
साथ
supply
तुम्हारे
chain
भी 18
mapping.
मिनट हो गए 15
This
मिनट
is
का
a
था
new
तुम भी खत्म
concept
करो।
of supply chain mapping.
इसको
You
दाने
will
नहीं
be
दूंगा मुझे
able
सुकून
to
नहीं है
map your process, your business, your
कहाँ है लाने
system,
वाला ये
your
नहीं है ना
suppliers, your customer, and so on.
बड़ी वाली नहीं आएगी इसके अंदर।
Digitalization will allow you. The third
वो तो उसको प्रेस
concept
करने में
or
आता
the
है
third thing that is nowadays is very in because of digitalization is circular economy. Now they are talking about circular economy. Dollar in, dollar will not out. It will come back to you. Product recovery, product recalls, and
ओए
all these things.
पीछे
Circular
बैकग्राउंड में चल
economy.
रहा था ये
These are
वाह
some important
ये मेरा ये
information
सिस्टम
of the
मेरे
important
इसमें
things.
एक
So
सेकंड
digital supply chain, basically the definition is not only to adopt the digitalization in logistic or
लॉक कर
technology in
सकता हूँ
demand
इसको
planning or so. So digital supply chain is basically is a
नहीं
composed
शाहीन
system
तू है ही नहीं
of software, hardware,
यार बस कर दे आज वाले क्या 2 घंटे 3 घंटे लेंगे अबे मार्क्स भी सुनने हैं आईबीएफ का
all or different supply chain
आज मोन वाला
activities
मेरा भी गलत हुआ है
which consist of mainly
स्टेबल
plan,
अमाउंट क्या
tools,
होता है स्टेबल अमाउंट
15 नंबर आएंगे।
anything
या
that
चूतिए
give you
6
क्या
the
होगा
नंबर का था वो।
integration
तो
among all the
गरर में भी तो
activities
आता
and
है
beyond the boundaries boundaries of
आगे ले गया
supply chain.
जरा डिस्टेंस में आता है देखो वो 6 नंबर का थोड़ी था पार्ट बी था क्या हो गया 3 नंबर का होगा अगर 6 का क्वेश्चन था 3 नंबर का होगा 2 हिस्से थे उसके
Another benefit of digital supply chain is that it
फिर तू
will
वो
give
चुटिया पकड़ रहा
information.
भाई 3 नंबर के 2
There will be
क्वेश्चन
no
थे
hidden. If you are working in production and I am working in logistics, I should be able to see what's going on in the
Logistic होता
production so
क्या
that
है?
I can plan ahead.
चेंज
And one of the Walmart
ट्रांसपोर्टेशन
store in
सिस्टम को
USA,
लॉजिस्टिक ही तो कहते हैं
you know that when we'll go and
मतलब?
take a product
पैकेजिंग
from a
करवाना
shelf,
और बाहर भिजवाना
so we scan a barcode at the checkout counter. So instead of
मुझे शूट
the
खेलना है
worker will go at the end and see how much the sale
शूट
is,
खेलना है
the moment I scan the barcode at the
फुटबॉल
checkout counter,
शूट शूट
the alarm goes to the supplier of that.
हमारा क्या होता है
And
गाँव
he
में
is alert that okay,
जब बंदे कम होते हैं ना
this product is depleting,
तो
that
बॉल से
product is
दूसरे
not
को मारते
depleting, so I have to plan ahead.
3-4 एक साइड के 3-4 एक
Mr.
साइड
Kassar mentioned, the
पोस्ट करो
demand plan,
फुल शूट में
not
बंदे
the
को मारो
reactive.
मुंह पे लगे कहीं पे भी लगे परवाह नहीं मारता रहो
Because they know that
मजा
once
नहीं
the
करा
demand,
सीरियस
the
बात
product
लेकिन
sell
हमारा
out,
ग्राउंड ऐसा
the
खुला नहीं
customer
है
or
कि बॉल बाहर
the
जाएगी
company will call
इसके
me, I
साइड
am
में
the
ना ऐसा है ये
supplier,
देखो
and I have to
ये रहा दीवार वो रहा दीवार
and this
ये
will
स्क्वायर वाला
enhance the responsiveness of the supply chain.
और उस साइड पे वो
This will give you
कब्रे
the
मरकत है
responsive supply
कब्रे
chain.
वो ऊपर की तरफ यूं
This will enhance the
चोटी बना हुआ है
efficiency.
पहाड़ की तरफ
The objective
थोड़ा
of
सा हाई
supply
है
chain to
वो
deliver our
और दूसरी
product
तरफ है
to the
गरम
right customer at the
गरम की
right
दीवार है
time, in the right
मारो लेग
quantity,
के वापस आ
at
जाओ
the
लेकिन एक वो
right
है
cost will be
वो
achieved.
नहीं होते इनके क्या
And
कहते हैं
this
यार यहाँ नहीं
requires
होते वो
sustainable
इतने से
suppliers.
वो पीछे नहीं होते
Long
कांटे
term, because
कांटे
supplier
वाली
selection is a strategic decision. And everything depends
हाँ
on your
वही
supplier.
वहाँ पे
Most of
दूसरे
the
वाले
things
होते हैं
depends on your supplier.
वो इतने वाले
You
होते
have
हैं
high-tech
वो
technology.
इतने भी होते हैं लेकिन वो
Supplier did
जो
not
छोटे
deliver
वाले
the
लगते हैं
raw
वो दर्द
materials
ज़्यादा
on time.
करते
What you will do
हैं
with
बॉल
this
मारो
technology?
वो छतों पे लगाते हैं ना कोई ऊपर ना
Suppliers
निकले
are
ये
the
इसलिए
key. And
ज़्यादातर तो
another
ये एनिमल्स आते हैं पौधे
I
खाने
will
के लिए
give you
इसीलिए
some
लगाते हैं ना
examples.
बॉल
I
मारो
will
उधर
give you
लग गया
simple examples
घुस
that
गया
you can use in assembly lines, high-tech
महीने
robots,
में 6 बॉलें
or
तो
you will
जाती है
use
कम से
some
कम
sensors in the manufacturing so that before it breaks
बहुत
down,
मज़े का
it will
ग्राउंड है
give
यार
you the
हमारा
alarm for the safety.
क्रिकेट के लिए सही है
You can monitor the order
लेग
in
पे मारो
real time.
कैच होने का चांस ही
You will, as I
ऑफ पे
said,
मारो
that
कैच होने का
real-time
चांस नहीं
decision making
लिखते हैं
and big
मरकतें
data
सही है
in
मरकतों के बीच का कोई
decision
खड़ा
making
होता नहीं है
related
बोर्ड
to
के
supply
एंड पे
chain.
खड़ा होता है बस
So,
उसके या ऊपर
this
से निकालो
way,
या आगे छोड़ो हो ही नहीं
there are
सकता
some challenge benefits I
और दूसरी
discussed.
तरफ
Now
है
I will
घर
move on to the
घरों
challenges.
के छत पे कोई
As
फील्डिंग
Mr.
करता
Kessler mentioned,
बस घरों के छत पे
always
गिरा
there
छत
is
पे
a
रुका
resistance.
2 रन
This is a
छत से
human nature.
निकल के बाहर चले गए
Resistance
और वो
for
घर भी मेरा
change. So, first of all,
मेरे सेहन पे
we
लगा
have
तो
a
4 और 6
lack of
मेरे
organizational change management.
चचा के वो है ना
But
नमल
if the
मोशू
change
का वो
comes
छत
from
है
the top,
उन पे गिरा तो 2 रन
very likely it is not
उससे आगे भाग गए उसके
good
2
thing.
रन
But if you give a confidence to your lower level,
स्ट्रेट में
the first
मसला है
line managers, the middle
स्ट्रेट में
manager
बहुत
will
मसला
talk
है
up to
बंदे
the
के घर
first
में
line
जाता
manager,
है
then
गालियाँ
they
दे
will
के
be
निकलता है
motivated. And if you
मेंटल
will
बंदा
show the
समझो
benefit to the first line managers or blue collar workers, they
सब दुआ
will
करते हैं वो
be
जल्द गुजर जाए
motivated to adopt the
इतने
change.
हरामी
But
लोग
if it comes from the top like a dictator, so I
यार
will
तो
just
इसको
do it.
बैकग्राउंड में जाके जरा वो पिक्चर देख कब खत्म
So
होने
why?
की कौन
Because
सी चीज
this is
होगी
my job, I have no other option. But if it comes like Mr. Kessler mentioned, innovation. Innovation is very important. The way of doing, and as also Mr. Kessler mentioned that don't wait for the problem to occur. You will try to find a way to improve. And that's the concept of
11:45
then
स्पीकर 4 आ रहा है
another challenge is
11:06
budget constraints, obviously. Companies, but if
11:06
they
ही
will, the
बोला था लेकिन
companies or
11:30
organizations
तक तो
look
चलेगा
for a longer period of time,
ब्रेक में हम लोग
then this
जाएंगे
budget
उसके
constraint
बाद
will
बात
be
करते हैं
not none and quite, but they will see the benefit because of the digitalization and because of their productivity enhancement and all, they will be able to increase their market share. They will enter in another market. Their quality will be good. They can send their product anywhere in the world. And the best example is China. Every product is made in China. Even there was a protest in India against China, and the cap or banners were printed in China. It was mentioned made in China. So they don't care. They said that business is business. So this is how the China entered everywhere in the world. And also the another challenge is the ineffective data management. Now how to check the readiness
of digital supply chain in any organization. So there are some
बास्केटबॉल
solution
लगी है
methodologies
बाहर ही होता है तुम
such as knowledge-based system, such as multi-criteria decision-making methods. So nowadays the people are evaluating the readiness of the digital supply chain of the organization and then see where we are and what is required and how to fulfill this gap. That is basically the solution methodology. And then at conclusion, I would say that the digital supply chain or digitalization is basically not achieved on overnight. It's a strategic decision. It should be discussed at the strategic level. And in a academic point of view, it is a very emerging topic. You will see that now they are talking about supply chain 4.0, supply chain 5.0. The adoption of technology we have to see and we have to measure its impact on the supply chain. And this will also allow you for the role of customer consumer integration and supplier integration. This will also enhance the customization because of that. Some of the future research or in terms of the academics, so we have to talk about some or develop some qualitative and quantitative methods in order to see the impact of digitalization on either a supply chain function or on an overall supply chain function. Then see the adoption or the impact of digitalization on an entire overall supply chain functions or overall supply chain performance and so on. So thank you so much and I'm ready to answer
Thank you,
any
Dr. Shafaddin. Thank you so much. It was a very nice session, sir. Just to give you a summary, you talked about the importance of technology. You talked about the digital supply chain, and you just enhanced the concepts. What are the factors that are taking place in current supply chain? Just to iterate few points, you talked about the supplier mapping. Obviously, the COVID has exposed that part, the breadth and the depth of supply chain as well. Even you talked about the circular economy. You talked about the enhanced transparency. So, what I summarize your learning, what I have got from your points that the benefits of digital supply chain is yes, enhanced traceability. It gives you a live access of information, a real-time information. Number one, number two, you talk about increasing productivity and efficiency. You extended the same point about efficiencies, speed, and reducing the disruptions by using the proper technology. Then you talk about improving finance, improving the bottom lines, contractions in supply chains, and international transactions. So that was a very, very brief, comprehensive view to learn about the technology. My only question that arises when you talk about technology in any part of the world, there is a conventional wisdom. The conventional wisdom tells me that you need to use some big data. Always ask about the blockchain or some AI advanced technology. But what about your concern when you talk about a small company? They want to be a digitalized company. They cannot afford to have such a large AI network. Perhaps they don't know, but perhaps they don't need. In fact, rather I should say, they have to somewhere compete in the market since the customer is more demanding and less patience. So how do you cope with this cost factor, striking a balance between technology and your budget? Yes, thank you for summarizing, and you are absolutely right. And this is one of the challenges that I mentioned that the budget constraint is specifically for SMEs. So in this case, first they have to think about the long-term benefits because this digitalization or adoption of the technology will allow them to expand. They will reach out to the different markets. This will increase their market share as well. So this is the way that they have to think. They should not see the short-term benefits. They have to see the long-term benefits. And they should take this as an investment opportunity rather than survival opportunity.
Digitalization.
Again, a productive approach.
Also, I have a question, can I ask?
Yes, yes, please, you can ask.
Thank you very much, sir, for coming to this conference and for this session. All about evaluation of the benefit and all about and all about the adoption of technology. I have a question regarding after COVID-19 situation. I think it's the COVID-19 era, and you know there is an uncertainty in the market data, and how can we talk about the big data and how can we pass data predictivity? Because there is a lot of uncertainty in the
बैठक सही नहीं तुम्हारी
what we say कि
how can we overcome this position? Okay, see, you are absolutely right that because the historical data, the more you go into the history, the prediction of the
तो
more
कल वालों की तो तुम लोगों ने इतनी नहीं
accuracy
ली
and
बहन चोदो
reliability reduces.
क्या
कल वालों की तो तुम लोगों ने इतनी नहीं ली
So, in
कल
order,
4 थे ना इसलिए आज 3 है
yeah,
4
so in
वाला ये
order
कवर अप
to
कर रहा है
utilize, because you see, we have now, the
बस
world
यार
is
बस
talking
यार
about pre-COVID era and
बस कर दो
post-COVID
भोसड़ी
era.
वालों
So for the data analysis, we have to do the same thing. For forecasting, we have to do the same thing. We should compare our performance. We should not compare with the pre-COVID era. We have to do it with the post-COVID era. I
ये भी
give you one
सर्दी नहीं है यार
example.
शब्द को चक्कर देना
Last week
है
I visited Pakistan for 3 days or 4 days. And in addition to the airline tickets, I spent 15,000 rupees
5 GB होने
for the
वाला है
test only.
मैंने बोला था
Before
मैंने
this
बोला
and
1
that.
घंटा हो
So
गया
I cannot compare my travel cost
हैं
before or pre-COVID era. Same thing for the organization.
यार सर आपने कहा था 3 सेशन आपने वेस्ट कर दिया 1 घंटा
They should not rely on the data which was pre-COVID era.
यार 30 ही लग रहा है मुझे
Situation.
इन
Yeah,
लोगों ने बोल
you
नीचे
will
गिरवा
see that because now we are talking about the future. So we will see that okay, and if it is more, that will be better. And big data or the data management and other things will allow you to select the range of the data to predict the forecast, especially the knowledge-based system in fuzzy
भाई
system,
फोरकास्ट
for
करना हमारे
example.
बस का काम नहीं है वो कुदरत करती है तुम जाने दो
Thank you very much. I hope I answered your question.
फोरकास्टिंग करना
Thank you, Dr.
बस ना
Shabuddin,
बस ना
for your
ओए ये तो उधर से ले रहा है
thoughtful insights about the Indian supply chain. Now I would like to welcome Dr. Abdul Faz.
हाँ हाँ आखिरी आ
He's
गया आखिरी
Senior
अल्लाह करे
Lecturer at
जल्दी कर
Faculty
लो
of Business, Economics and Social
ये
Development,
बोलो ना यार 30
University,
से पहले कोई नहीं जा रहा
Malaysia, Telangana. He holds the PhD in Technology Management, focusing on halal supply chain. Due to his academic
सर
background,
ने सही किया
personality,
नंबर रख के वरना हम
not
सेशन
only
लेते ही
acquired merit in
इसमें हलाल आराम कब से आ गया
from
सप्लाई चेन में
logistics, halal supply chain, halal marketing, tourism, operational management, and also on
अच्छा हलाल
education.
फूड वालों की सप्लाई
So
चेन
I would like to welcome Dr. Abdul Hafaz to share his insights
थैंक्स
about
एवरीवन
this beautiful topic of halal supply
शराफुद्दीन
chain.
सर आप शरीफ लग रहे हैं नाम से
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible
उई ये
here.
आ गया असल चीज
Yes, the screen is visible.
Thank you, Dr. Sir, for joining the session.
ये क्या ड्रोन ऊपर नहीं नहीं ड्रोन थोड़ी ये लटका हुआ ड्रोन इन लास्ट माइल डिलीवरी
The way forward is
ड्रोन
shifting
इन लास्ट
supply
माइल
chain
डिलीवरी
logistics, operation for sustainable economic development. Okay, for that issue, now I'm talking about the drone in the last mile delivery. It's a new topic
What
that
does
I
the
think is
drone
very
mean, sir?
useful for the teachers
What's the
and
purpose of it?
students who do
Please
this
tell
kind
us
of
soon.
studies.
So
बेटा
we can
बेटा तुम घर जाके सो
Thank you,
जाओ
sir.
ये बोलेंगे फिर
so we can point out
Okay, so
nuts,
this is my
mag nuts.
presentation of mine, introductions, drones, issues on drones, and such.
ये भी आगे जाएगा ये बहुत आगे जाएगा
Okay.
ये टक्की हो रहा
The
है
global industry currently being influenced by Industrial Revolution 9.0,
last mile
which is
delivery
altering the
conventional
way
last
of
mile
business
delivery
is conducted,
intent and
particularly for
future
the better.
demand
E-commerce
intent
and
and future
transportation
demand
industry, especially for the last mile delivery, are also affected. While most of the Chinese companies shifting to the technology to solve many issues and delighting their customers, however, the last mile delivery providers still relying on the conventional transportation system, ignoring the latest technology known as drone to make the industry more efficient, safer, and friendly, also for cost efficient. Okay. Last mile delivery has been a key factor for business across the globe, where business has established a need for more efficient, effective service delivery. Okay. The tremendous growth in online shopping, supported by demand from e-shoppers, expecting for immediate delivery, justifying why logistics providers are in a race to develop a new technology having sustainable last mile delivery services model to increase parcel volume, expediting the deliveries and also delight customers. Last mile delivery has played a prominent role to ensure e-shopper satisfaction from their online transaction and have a great influence on the e-shopper business behavior. Despite economic uncertainty during pandemic COVID-19, e-commerce continues to grow at a speedy rate.
and globally, and expected to reach about USD 6,142 trillion in 2023. Along with this dynamic growth of e-commerce, scenario motivated the development of retail and logistics industries, for both industries are likely interconnected. Okay. Logistic providers has improved in terms of capacity, efficiency, process, safety, and reliability to meet the demand from customers. Okay. Faster local, improved tracking system, payment system. However,
बंदे की हाइट
complaints
देखिए
on service quality and
बंदे की
delivery
हाइट
still
देखिए
persist. The
उधर
study
पहुंचते
found that
पहुंचते निकला
43% of e-shoppers were unhappy with their last mile
चला गया
delivery
मैं उधर पहुंचने की
operation.
बात है
So in the future, so internet now, okay, customers are looking for speedy delivery. They pay today, they will expect the same goods for
ini
today.
lagi mah.
Aligned with the technical advancements and IR 4.0, shifting from manpower to machine, drone has started to play its role in accommodating customer satisfaction and business requirements. Okay, so it's mentioned by Gustav 2020, say that in 2036, it will be more than 1 million drones
अबे मैं
carrying
इसकी
out
कॉपी कर रहा
retail
था
deliveries from
हैं
90,000 today.
मैं इसकी कॉपी कर रहा था
Okay.
साला
So drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle. It's
मुझे
a
पता नहीं
craft
था
without
वैसे
any
मैं
pilot,
खुद से कर रहा था
crew or passenger on board.
मजाक नहीं करो मुझे
Also
पता
known
नहीं
as
था
the
ये कर रहा
unmanned
है
aircraft system, which include ground-based controller and system communications. So at the meantime, main advantages
तू ऐसे ही
for
कर मैं तुझे
for
देख के
crew.
पाऊंगा known as
Fundamentally,
unmanned
faster,
aerial vehicle is
aligned
an
with IR 0 and
aircraft
suitable for this kind of content we go for the contact list.
known
Okay?
as
And
unmanned
for the current usage for the drones, we focus more on food and medical delivery,
पहले
not
एक
on
लोग
the
ड्रोन से करता था
delivery
फिर
at the
आपका
meantime.
आएगा
We go
मर्चेंट
for
सिविल
the
इंजीनियर
agriculture, they go for the specific in our area in the field. We go for surveillance, okay, for the safety environment, surveillance, also photography, also for the rescue. Okay, you can see that. Okay, in Pakistan, now that there are a lot of issues for the safety, they can use the drone for this method.
इंशाल्लाह मुमकिन है कमजोरी की इंतहा कर दी
Okay, this is
अपनी
the
हाँ मैं
type
वही
of
देख
drone
रहा
for
था
delivery. Okay,
इंतहा
they
कर
can use
दी
cable. Okay, for
प्यारी
delivery, and they put the
प्यारी
message in the drone and they send it
जच रही है
to
इनको
the customer, or fix it to the
देख
drone
ले
and send it to the
वरना
customer
इनका कमजोर
settings,
बहुत बुरा
or they
दिखता है
go
भाई क्या
for
होगा
the drop by using parachute. We go for the bigger plane for the inside the ships.
हैं लात मारा
And
है
also,
किसी
it's
को
a estimation about
इंसान
of
मिल
the
जाए इंसान
process, how they use drone for
अच्छा
the
खासा
delivery.
बल्ले ललके हुए थे
Okay, once order was taken by the logistics provider, okay, or logistics provider, they send it to the put in the drone and fly to the customer's position. So during the delivery process, we
इधर
can
कैसा
monitor
है
the
मेरे
delivery
लिए
by using the system.
सभी
They show
कमजोर
you
है
the direction also for the delivery, just like this. And then once they close to the destination, they will scan for the where they should drop the
वही
the
ये
goods.
क्या
They
स्टेडियम ले
scan
आया ये
for
तो
the landing field, just like this. Okay.
हैं
Once
बीच वाले
landed
दो दे
in the ground, they go for the
एक
they
तो
scan for the
यही
delivery
है
code.
इसका
Okay, they
क्या
put
कहते हैं इसको
in the field.
अबे
Drop it and
डिलीवरी
just
जोन होते हैं ना ये
so we take the goods and then take away for the goods.
किस चीज़ का डिलीवरी जोन ड्रोन
Okay.
का
Based on study by us, okay, they found that okay, based on the Amazon data,
प्यारी प्यारी
they found
आंखों
that user
वाली
delivery by drones it will cost you only 90 cents for each delivery within
क्या
30
बॉडी
minutes
था यार
of delivery. Okay, compared to the current system, they need about
खाना दो मूव
$7.99 for delivery within
आज
one
तक
to 2
रूल
hours.
खड़े नहीं करे मूव्स घंटा
For the
खड़े
FedEx, for
करेंगे
the same day delivery, they cost you about $73. And for the next day, they cost you about $38. Just imagine how much you will save if all the providers go for
अरे
the
बताओ कितनी स्लाइड बाकी है गूगल
very cheap compared to our traditional method.
हेलो हेलो
Okay. Nowadays, the customer needs to
गूगल
pay
कैन यू
more
चेक
because of the delivery services.
स्लाइड
Just imagine
लेफ्ट हाउ
if
मेनी
this is
स्लाइड्स
cost
आर
for the
लेफ्ट
delivery,
इधर आ
what will happen to the price for the customer to pay for the services?
मीट एंड प्रीशियस वर्क
And what will happen
मच
for our
इफेक्टिव
online
प्रीशियस
shopping?
वर्क एक चुतिए के ना सर दूसरे वाले को गाली दे
Okay.
रहा
Increasing the
this
area
drone is
coverage
delivered
by the
time
drone.
limited how much weight or
Okay.
what size of box can be delivered for
However, its drone has a limited
हेलो
range coverage. It's about
गूगल कर लो अल्लाह के
10
बंदे से
to
पूछने
15
के वो
minutes only
लाजमी
for
है
the delivery. So in that case, they need to comply with the traditional modes in the road. They go
ये
for the
तो
lorry like
मार्केटिंग
this,
कर रहा है अपने
and
उसका
they put drone in the top of the lorry, send to the specific area. Just imagine, okay?
just put all box in your
सर
lorry.
उसको पैसे मिले मार्केटिंग
And
करने
send
के
to each location. How fast, how safe, how easy.
अंकल आप गायब हो गए थे
Okay. For the same stuff I found, let's say now, compare for the food deliveries.
खाना दो मुंह दोबारा आ
For
गया
the food deliveries within 50 minutes, they can only manage to send about 10 deliveries in 50 minutes. But by drones,
ये
they
कुछ ज्यादा
come
नहीं
to
हुआ
the 25 deliveries in 50
वेट भी तो
minutes.
देखो लानती
Just
इंसान
imagine, okay, how much the efficiency if they go for the drones compared to our traditional
यार
method.
15 मिनट में जो है ना रोड
If you go only for food.
इतना चल सकता है और ड्रोन
Just
इतना चल
imagine,
सकता है
हाँ तो
all of
वेट भी
our
देखो ना
provider go
ड्रोन
for
तीन
drone
चार
for
दफा जाएगा ये एक दफा जाके
save,
कंटिन्यू करते
easy, reduce cost, and also go for our environmental benefit.
ये इस डिलीवरी को ना ये 5 दफा इतना
So
करके ले
issues for
जाएगा
drone
वो
last
एक
mile
दफे में
delivery.
खत्म
Last mile
हैं
delivery is the most expensive part of the transportation cost. But it's okay. And the least
और
efficient
क्या
part
पता
of the
बच्चे कोई
delivery process.
ड्रोन को बुलेट
So the
मार
last
दे
mile delivery can reach to
क्या
the
मालूम हमारे वहाँ
50%
होता
of the
लाजमी मारता
overall transportation cost. However, complaints on delivery still unresolved. Despite many advantages of drone for last mile delivery,
जैसे मैं
however,
घर के विंडो पे
limited organizations are
बैठ के
willing
ना
to use drone for last mile delivery.
चुड़ियों को मारता
It's
मतलब
still
वही
surprising
बर्ड्स को
why
घर
this
के
kind
विंडो
of
पे बैठ
technology
के
is very good,
विंडो
everything
खोलो
is done
सामने
very
पड़ा
good,
मारता रहो
but still lack of organizations still want to
सीरियस बात
go
है
for this technology. So most of the studies are limited to the drones usage for food deliveries and or
हुई हुई हुई
pharmaceutical, or focusing on the design and software development. Thus, there's a big gap for the drones application in the last mile delivery study. The issue is now it's practical to apply drones for the last mile delivery. So, in that case, Amazon respond to this issue. So they make an announcement about the safety information about the drone deliveries. Okay, so when they ask about
स्लाइड
how will it work, Amazon Prime is a service that
सेकंड
will
लास्ट चला
deliver
रहा
package up to 5 pounds, 30 minutes or less using small drones. So just imagine if you go for the parcel delivery, less than 30 minutes when you buy the products. Very efficient. Okay, how are you going to ensure safety? Safety is our top priority. Our vehicles will be built with multiple redundancies as well as sophisticated sense and avoid technology. Additionally, through our testing, we will gather data to continue improving the safety and reliability of our system and operation. So this website will give you all the answers that if you have talked about this kind of services. Okay. But still, because this is still in the infancy stage, okay, there are a lot of issues and limitations. Okay. Example, in 2019, okay, there are drone crash in Zurich at the playground, reported by Fulway.net. Okay. And the next time is that this drone is not suitable for the urban area. Why? Because when you have a high building around the corner, is not the drone operation. So it's
इसलिए आ गया
applicable for the open space, okay, no overhanging tree,
कल लगाइए
no
बैग
power lines and other obstacles. Then this space is good for the drones. However, for drone operators, you need to have approval from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. And still, this technology is rely on batteries. So that's why they have limited space to be coverage, only about 10 to 20 meters only. So that's why AI expert is extremely mindful to enhance this drone performance.
बस कर दे लास्ट टाइम
Okay. So in this case, okay, as a examination, yes, I offer you responsibility for this drone. First thing you can study about intention to use drone for delivery. You can compare between Gen X, Gen Y, and also Gen Z. Are you going to use this drone or not? Looking about the readiness of the disability for our community, so you can compare about male and female. Which one is identified or not for the study. For the regional level, so you can go for the intention to adopt drone application for the industry. So among logistic providers, are they willing to go for this technology or not? If not, why? If yes, why? What are the difference for their decision? So among drone providers, okay, are they willing to go for this kind of services? Are they able to meet the demand from the customer if they go for the parcel delivery? And we need to know about the push and pull factor for the technology. What are the enablers and barriers for the drone technology? So thus I ask for you to influence the usage of drone in the future. And for the research of opportunity, accessibility, do we concern about our accessibility and go for the accessibility?
If you know that don't go for the green technology, it's good for our government also. And for the innovation studies, okay, you need to have a customized drone for each activities. Okay, for the food, for the pharmaceutical, and also for the scientific activities. And how to enhance performance of drone using for speed, for accuracy, and how using AI will influence the good for the this technology. So if you go for this kind of study, this is your potential application for this way.
कैसे मार्क्स आए
Okay, you can go for the
कौन सा
COM,
वाला? हाँ ये
Journal of Electronic Systems, 7 factors, you go for the JBL, 667, you go for the JSTM, 6, and there are many more articles are looking, journal are looking for this kind of studies. If we want to go for the 51 journal,
ये भी 21 आए थे तूने पीएमटी वाला गलत करा ना
मुझे पता है PMT वाला
okay, this is all for me, this is about drone in class 5.
लास्ट वाले में
Thank you.
ये तो वो लग रहा है
It was a very
कहाँ
nice
से
session. It was a very
पता
conversation for
सर
something out
इसको
of
बहुत
the
सारा
box we
कंपो
learned
आता
about
है
today. Just to summarize what he talked today, he talked about drone technology as a loss delivery and how it is coping in our online delivery. Since we
17
are
select करके
seeing
बना
a rising number in the online business after especially COVID. He talked about the email hackers, its limitations. There are few concerns and there are few uses of this. For example, I at one point that in case of emergency, in case of humanitarian logistics, we can use as an operational purpose here. But there are a lot of questions the students are asking to us. What is the limitation? For example, if you operate drone, there are some limitations. Like say, we talk about proximity limitations. We talk about the limitations of carrying some weight. We talk about the artificial intelligence use and its specificity. So how do you think that which type of businesses must incorporate? Since you open an area of research a lot. So my question is that which type of business suits this model? Since it's a cost-effective way in the longer run. But initially, what are the challenges you see for especially a country like Pakistan? Over to you, sir.
उनको सवाल पूछ रहे थे
Thank you for the question. Firstly, now I want to discuss about delivery for the parcel delivery. Okay, go for postage delivery. Okay, because the limitation of the carrying bags, they should go for this kind of business. Okay, now they focus on the food. Okay, they go for the pharmaceutical. It's very light business. But just imagine now your lesson, your parcel delivery, you buy shirt, you buy shoes, they go for the online, they go for this kind of thing. So now, if you have an emergency, you have to buy shirt. You just click online, and you use the drone. You can get the money for nothing. It's very useful for you and for your business also.
अच्छा बात समझ नहीं
Thank you,
आई
sir. Do you have any question or we can
ये में ना
say good?
वो दो लड़के साथ बैठी थी
have a
पेपर भी
question.
साथ
I
कर
have a
रहे
question.
थे एक के 20 एक के 17 एक के 14 कैसे
Dr. Ham, thank you so much for sharing your valuable
गलती हो
thoughts
गई
about
यार
drones, which as Dr. Mr. Tasim
मतलब
said,
गलत
it's a
बता
very
दी
common topic nowadays. Do you think that the
लेकिन जिसके
governmental
17 आए ना वो
laws and
खुलने वाले
regulations can play an important role
लास्ट में भी
while
सबसे ज्यादा वो
you are
पढ़ते
using drones in your businesses?
आंसर
Because
कौन बता दिया
in some countries,
ये मत
governments
कहना
do
वो नहीं
not
बता
trust the or law to allow the companies to use drones in their supply chain.
Yeah, I agree with that. Okay, this is the main issue in drone application. Okay, because the world have different situation for different countries. But still, that's why drone is something is unstoppable. Today, if you don't for the technology, you will be left behind. That's why day by day, regulation will be more open and more forward to research title because they go for the efficiencies. Okay, so that's why now studies conduct in UK, in UK, in Australia, they say that it's going to be a very good business. But I truly believe that we need to amend some regulation to make sure that it's very easy for our business providers.
Thank you so much for your response. I appreciate your
रिकॉर्डिंग 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 रिकॉर्डिंग
Yes.
रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हो
actions you are
अल्लाह का शुक्र आपने
कहाँ जा रहा
ये मैं
and
फीस पे
deliver a price talk. And what about the size?
बैठो मैं हाँ छोड़ दो ना सेशन में चले क्लास खत्म हो गया वैसे चलो मैं जा रहा हूँ
एक घंटा चला है
Besides that, okay,
इधर
thank
ही
you
आ
for the
जा
question. Okay, besides
मैंने
depend
सेकंड
on
पे आ जा
what kind of plane
मैसेज करके आ जा
Okay, we have few type of drones.
ठीक घर
Okay,
चले जा
and nowadays talking about small size, they go for the bigger size. According to literature, say that
नहीं नहीं गुस्सा नहीं
by TV
अच्छा
still not available yet. But we go only for the size of road. Maybe you have a big road, you can have your size of the.
And how much the force is needed for delivery?
Okay.
का
And how
एक
much
हाथ रह
labor
गया
force is required for delivery?
सैंडल पहनने को बोलो
For the labor force, it's very easy. Okay.
अबे तो अभी तक नहीं किया, बोल रही कि चले जाइए, तेरा दिमाग खा जाएंगे।
And then all together by the trucks. So that's
There
why now
will be
we're talking
fewer
about
job
cost for
opportunities
delivery.
for unskilled
Okay.
workers if
Compared to our machine delivery,
one
we need to
person
have
started
a
to
lorry, we have to
plus
buy,
delivery
this is go
prices
for
to
the
ask
fuel consumption, but not for the
expenses
total.
who can
That's why
employ
you can see that you can raise our cost for the delivery.
अबे भाई पूछने क्या ड्रोन एक पैकेट उठा रहा
Thank you,
है
Dr.
डिलीवरी घंटा बंद
Dr.
होगा
Abbas, for your sharing your thoughts and about this novel idea of drone delivery. And I've seen also that they are in Nigeria, they are delivering the blood between different cities via drone. So it's a very new topic and novel.
मुझे लग रहा है हमारा सर
Thank
जो
you
है
for
वो
your sharing your
सीनियर है
thoughts
उनके
and thank you for attending this session, sir. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you all the keynote speaker and thank you participants for joining the first session class. Just to give you a brief summary what we have discussed, we have overall discussed supply chain as a business indicator, how the supply chain plays a key role in business. We began with the supply chain as a customer, we talked about supply chain disruptions. First, our keynote speaker was Kaifa Saab, and he talked about getting uncertainties, challenges of job, challenges of automation, challenges of supply chain visibility, disruptive innovations. We talked about some creativity. We also talked about the importance of developing KPIs, importance of developing skills, rather fostering just knowledge. In fact, delivering KPIs or trying to create some skill-based learning here. Then he talked about the balance between the total quality management and the machine balance, the balance of inventory management, and so many things. Then we had another session with Dr. Shafuddin. He completely talked about the digital supply chain. What are the important tools available? Professor would like to say something about it.
Yes, sir, I think that now supply chain digitalization is a very important topic and the customer know where his product is and right now it is in the manufacturing it is in this warehouses and where it's in transit. So it gives more visibility to the supply chain and distribute the whole supply chain so that we can meet the unexpected or fluctuations in demand because customer demands are changing quite aggressively right now. And to meet the supply chain crisis, the problem right now is that all over the world is a crisis in the shipping industry. Containers are going from China to America, but they are fully loaded. But from America to China, they are not fully loaded. 40% of the containers they are empty. So that was the case in the transportation charges. That's why we are facing with the inflation all over the world. The prices are increasing.
मतलब उसमें वाउचर के लिए
So the role of IT is very important.
4-5 बजे तक
The other thing is, I know you are exactly right. We are talking about these challenges we are facing after the post-COVID operations.
क्या उखाड़ लिया यूनिवर्सिटी आके तुमने
मैंने अफसर से बात की क्या कह रहे बिजनेस टैक्स से कह रहे मैंने कहा सर 0 नंबर है मैं पेपर करके नहीं आया कह रहा क्यों बेटा मैंने कहा सर तबियत खराब थी मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कह रहा अच्छा मैं कहा सर ड्रॉप कर दूँ कह रहा क्यों करना है ड्रॉप कैसे क्या करना है मैं कहा नहीं सर वो कह रहा फिर पहला नंबर सर है सर आ सकते सर ने क्या हो सकता है बी भी आ जाए बी प्लस सॉरी सी भी आ जाए सी प्लस भी आ जाए अगर मेहनत करो अभी यूनिवर्सिटी तक डेट है ना करके देखो अगर होता है समझ आ रही चीज़ें तो ड्रॉप नहीं करो मेरा तो यही मशवरा ठीक है मैं पढ़ा जितनी दफ़ा बोलोगे मैं तुम्हें पढ़ा दूँगा पढ़ाने के लिए मैं हाजिर हूँ तुम्हारे लिए बट मैं गारंटी नहीं देता कि वो क्या करूँ नहीं करूँ ना ड्रॉप नहीं करो ना सर निकाल देंगे सर के पास गए ना पढ़ने 4 नंबर ही दे देगा अल्लाह ने इज्जत रख ली भाई
तबीयत खराब कहा ना तूने सही करा और ओमिक्रॉन का केस आ गया वैसे भी एक पाकिस्तान में पहला
कसम खा ये बंद होने वाली है
मैं जिम बन रहा हूँ
यानी तुम्हें अपने मतलब की फायदे चाहिए
अबे भाई अब समझ गए तू बंद कर दे यार देख तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग कितनी ज़्यादा हो गई 5 GB 61 MB
बस कर दे यार स्पीकर हो गए ना
to a local, from a globalization to a relocalization. We have to build an organic sources. Again, we talk about the unity and the collaboration in supply chain. So we
केसर हो गया शरफुद्दीन हो गया अब्दुल हफाज
ये बंद कर दो
we cannot survive. Collaboration is the key. Not talking about customers' expectations, talking about the customers' demanding behavior, and talking about the customer's less loyal behavior. We need to understand customer needs collaboration. You can induce your customer's loyalty through CPC. CPC is a concept we talk about, Faisal, a collaborative product commerce, where we can engage our customers. Third, I believe that we need to foster diversity. When talking about drone technology, when talking about digital supply chain, when talking about working with a lot of suppliers, mapping them on the board, you need to foster the culture of diversity. I believe that if we convert these driving force into our local factors, if we are able to convert these international factors into local factors with the help of technology, we can reassure our supply chain. Whatever the disruptions we are watching, we can have some control. I do not say because since there is no sequence interruption, there is no sequence innovation, Dr. Hafaz and all the panelists would agree there are seriously disruptive innovations and that are changing the shape of technology. So we need to rethink in that way. For that is we need to understand what are the importance of local factors in our supply chain that cannot be rushed down. We need to consider that factor. Furthermore, the last point I would like to include is the importance of digitalization or a digital supply chain. We cannot ever ignore technology. If we just ignore technology, the world will ignore us. So we need to understand that part. If you want to survive in the world, if you want to keep pace with them, we need to ensure that we have a right technology. But I always believe one thing, that technology must not be overcrowded. Technology must not allow to dominate the supply chain. It must be used as a business enabling tool. That is the right way to invest in your technology. So this is how we conclude the first session.
Sir, I would,
Yes,
Dr. Vakara wants to add some points.
sure, please.
It was a wonderful session. Obviously, I was listening every presenter, and they have comprehensively delivered each and every aspect of the supply chain, especially the contemporary one. What I conclude, what missing in the conclusion is that I think every presenter has talked about sensing. Sensing means to understand what is going on in the environment. Sensing means what competitor is doing, what competition is, what customer is doing. Customer orientation, innovative orientation, competitive orientation is important thing to understand. First of all, we need to establish the context, and then after establishing that context, we need to see whether this is a opportunity or a threat. And finally, we have to transform. Dr. Tausif, Dr. Faisal, and Dr. Amin have wonderfully summarized everything. They have managed. These are the three factors which our students can learn and take away with them. Thank you very much, and Tausif, over to you again.
Thank you, Dr. Brian. Thank you for your insights. It was all your guidance. We cannot do without guidance, sure. But before we going to end the first session and announce the break, we have a break of 15 minutes exactly. We will resume our session after 15 minutes. You all are requested to be there since our party.
Dr. Sorry, thank you very much. We have 13 presenters for technical session 1. Inshallah, we will start after 15 minutes.